When you're going places, knowing how to get ready to go and how to get where you're going are important. But knowing how to relax and have fun while you're going is most important of all.
By the sea, by the beautiful sea, you and me, oh, how happy we'll be. When each wave comes a-rolling in, we will sing or swim, and we'll float and feel around the water, over and under and then up for air. Mi's rich, so now what do we care? I love to be beside your side, beside the seaside, by the beautiful sea.
Hamburgers,
hot dogs,
ice cream,
soda pop,
bathing suits,
umbrellas, sunglasses, fishing poles.
Hurry, ladies and gentlemen, step right up and see one of the greatest attractions of the Boardwalk. And all it costs you is 1 thin dime, 10 cents, 1/10 of a dollar. First, I want you to meet the thin man. What's that, lady? You say you can't see him. That's because he's standing sideways.
Say, mister!
Get away, boy, you bother me. See Lena, the laughing hyena. What's that, mister? You want me to make Lena laugh? Tell you what I'm going to do. I'll tell her a joke. Lena, why does a chicken cross the road? Quiet, Lena, I'm not through yet. And speaking of animals, right here in the next cage is a weasel. That's right, a peanut weasel.
Hey, mister!
Now peddle your papers. I also want to call your attention to...
I won't.
You will!
I won't.
You will!
I won't.
I'm going home to Mother.
I'll go with you.
Think nothing of it, folks. That's just a half-man, half-woman having an argument with itself. Quiet, Lena. Everybody wants to get into the act.
Hey, mister!
Go home and tell your mother she wants you. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we also have one of the greatest and most thrilling acts of all times. You've seen men dive from 100 feet into a tank of water. Well, we have the world's greatest diver with us tonight.
Hey!
He will dive from 300 feet into a damp dish rag.
Hey!
And he's going to do it right now. There he goes!
Hey, mister! Mister!
Well, what's on your mind, Sonny?
They sent me to tell you they couldn't find the dish rag!
I love to be beside your side, beside the seaside, by the beautiful sea.
Sea, somewhere waiting for me. My lover stands on golden sands and watches the ships that go sailing somewhere beyond the sea. She's there watching for me. If I could fly like birds on high, then straight to her arms I'd go sailing. It's far beyond a star, it's near beyond the moon. I know beyond a doubt me. Beyond the shore, we'll kiss just as before. Happy we'll be beyond the sea, and never again I'll go sailing. Happy we'll be beyond the sea, and never again I'll go
Of love by the beautiful sea, when you're with someone you love. When you get tired of holding hands, you write love letters in the golden sands. Every time a wave comes in to kiss the shore, that's a cue for you to kiss and kiss some more. There's oceans of love by the beautiful sea, when you're with someone you love.
sky smiling at me. Nothing but blue skies do I see.
Blue sky, blue sky.
Bluebirds singing a song. Nothing but bluebirds all day long.
Slap, slap, happy. Sunshine everywhere. And everybody's happy as the square of the fair.
Noticing the days hurrying by. When you're in love, my, how they fly. Blue days, all of them gone. Nothing but blue skies from now on.
The sun is shining bright. Yes, sir, that's a good old sunny south. When you hear the same old robin sing that you heard up north in spring. Yes, sir, that's a good old sunny south, where your heart wants to play and your feet want to dance, where the close of each day brings a night of romance, where you meet those gals who sweetly drawl, mighty glad to meet you all. Yes, sir, that's a good old sunny south.
They make you feel so very glad. Calypso singing makes a prime. Guarantee you one good, real fine time. Drinking rum and Coca-Cola. Go down Point Cumana. Both mother and daughter working for the Yankee dollar. Out on Montanello Beach, GI romance with native peach. All night long make tropic love, then sit in hot sun and cool off. Drinking rum and Coca-Cola. Go down Point Cumana. Both mother and daughter working for the Yankee dollar. In botanical gardens and afternoons, native bands play Yankee tunes. Native dance until he drop. I think native blow his top. Drinking rum and Coca-Cola. Go down Point Cumana. Both mother and daughter working for the Yankee dollar. Gee, I meet nice native girl. Give her great big courtship whirl. He married Trini mommy, that's not bad. Yankee soon be Trinidad dad. Drinking rum and Coca-Cola. Go down Point Cumana. Both mother and daughter working for the Yankee dollar. Native girl can cut a rug, dance like crazy jitterbug. She jump and bump and shake so bold. That's fine way to break up cold. Drinking rum and Coca-Cola. Go down Point Cumana. Both mother and daughter working for the Yankee dollar. From Chiquera to Mona's Isle, native girls all dance and smile. They wear grass skirts, but that's okay. Yankee like to hit the hay. Drinking rum and Coca-Cola. Go down Point Cumana. Both mother and daughter working for the Yankee dollar.
Here comes Mr. Softee, the soft ice cream man. The creamiest soft ice cream you get from Mr. Softee. For refreshing delight supreme, look for Mr. Softee.
My milkshakes and my sundaes and my cones are such a treat. Listen for my store on wheels, ding-a-ling down the street.
The creamiest soft ice cream you get from Mr. Softee. For refreshing delight supreme, look for Mr. Softee. S-O-F-T-E-E, Mr. Softee.
Mr. Softee brings delicious treats right to your door. Luscious, tempting sundaes. Thick, rich milkshakes. Big, creamy, smooth banana boats. And cones filled way above the top with your favorite Mr. Softee flavor. Watch for the Mr. Softee truck. It's a soft ice cream store on wheels.
S-O-F-T-E-E, Mr. Softee.
On the boardwalk in Atlantic City, we will walk in a dream. On the boardwalk in Atlantic City, life will be peaches and cream. There where the saltwater air brings out a lady's charms. There on a rolling chair, he'll roll right into your arms. Cinderella, you will find your fella, someone that you waited for, in romantic, enchantic Atlantic City, down on the old New Jersey shore.
There right into your arms. In romantic, enchanted Atlantic City, down on the old New Jersey shore.
Goodbye, little chicks, we are leaving the sticks.
We are catching a train at 5:45.
And if anyone should drop around,
won't you please tell them that we can be found
on the boardwalk in Atlantic City.
We will walk in a dream
on the boardwalk in Atlantic City.
Light will be peaches and cream.
There where the saltwater air brings out a lady's charms. There on a rolling chair he'll roll right into your arms.
Cinderella, you will find your fella, someone that you waited for.
In romantic, enchanted Atlantic City, down on the old New Jersey shore.
Atlantic City shore.
What a wonderful time, what a wonderful time of year. It's watermelon weather, that summer kind of weather, when people get together and sing. It's the time of year the stars seem to dance with laughter, and the moon's so big and ripe it can hardly climb. So why don't you meander to your best gal's veranda and sorta, kinda, hand her the ring, for it's the sweetheart kissing season and all the world's in rhyme. When it's watermelon, sweet love telling time. Watermelon weather, summer kind of weather, the people get together and sing sweet Adeline. Stars seem to dance with laughter, and the moon's so big and ripe it can hardly climb. So why don't you meander to your best gal's veranda and sorta, kinda, hand her the ring, for it's the sweetheart kissing season and all the world's in rhyme. When it's watermelon, sweet love telling time. What a wonderful time, what a wonderful time. It's watermelon time.
Sweet Leilani, heavenly flower, nature fashioned roses kissed with dew, and then she placed them in a bower, and there was the start of you. Sweet Leilani, heavenly flower, tropic skies are jealous as they shine. I think they're jealous of your blue eyes. I think they're jealous 'cause you're mine. Sweet Leilani, heavenly flower, I dream of paradise for two. I dream of paradise complete here. You are my dream come true.
Tiny bubbles in the wine makes me happy, makes me feel fine. Tiny bubbles make me warm all over with a feeling that I'm gonna love you till the end of time. So here's to the golden moon, and here's to the silver sea, but mostly here's a toast to you and me. Tiny bubbles, tiny bubbles in the wine, makes me happy, makes me feel fine, tiny bubbles, makes me warm all over with a feeling that I'm gonna love you till the end of time. Tiny bubble, ooh, a leaky in the wine, Ika Mina makes me happy. Oh, I know it makes me feel fine. Ika ba inu, tiny bubbles makes me warm all over with a feeling that I'm gonna love you till the end of time. With a feeling that I'm gonna love you till the end of time.
Down on an isle in the southern seas, there lives a lassie named Minnie Breeze, and all the natives agree that she's the hottest thing in Trinidad. When Minnie dances, I guarantee, with every move of her vertebrae, the temperature jumps up 10 degrees. In Trinidad, that isn't bad.
Although the natives loved Minnie so, Minnie herself had a steady beau, a fellow known as Calypso Joe, and Minnie swore they'd never part. But Minnie soon left her neighborhood. Min won a contest for dancing good. Her dancing got her to Hollywood. When Joe heard that, it broke his heart.
Ay, 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 they call her Minnie from Trinidad. Ay, 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 she wasn't good, but she wasn't bad. Ay, ay, ay.
Calypso Joe was so very sad when Minnie up and left Trinidad. In Hollywood, Minnie traveled far. They changed her name to Minnie Lamar, and pretty soon she became a star, the siren of the picture show. But one day Minnie got awfully mad. A guy got fresh and she said,
"You cad, my heart belongs to my Trinidad, my Trinidad Calypso Joe." Minnie gave up her dough and fame, and she went back to from where she came. But when she got there, she heard with shame that her Calypso Joe was dead. When Minnie heard that, she nearly died. She got a gun and tried suicide. But as she started to shoot, she cried, "I think I'd rather live instead."
Aye, aye, aye.
And now the natives are mighty glad,
'cause Minnie came back to Trinidad. Aye, 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 aye.
Now all of you remember this one, so come on everybody, sing along.